Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib about the creation of animal species. Look at the ant with its small body and delicate form. It can hardly be seen in the corner of the eye, nor by the perception of the imagination, how it moves on the earth and leaps at its livelihood. It carries the grain to its hole and deposits it in its place of stay. If you have thought about its digestive tracts in its high and low parts, the carapace of its belly and its eyes and its ears and its head, you would be amazed at its creation, and you would feel difficulty in describing it. If you tread on the paths of your imagination and reach its extremity, it will not lead you anywhere, except that the originator of the ant is the same as he who is the originator of the date palm, because everything has the same delicacy and detail, and every living being has little difference.